And new tonight, Jeffersonville police are asking for the public's help in finding 3 people after a robbery at a local gun store. Around 6 this morning, police responded to an alarm at the Kentuckiana gun store off State Route 21. Security video from the store shows the alleged thieves arrive at the store in a red car, proceeding to break in and steal several guns. The ATF and National Shooting Sports Foundation are offering a $5,000 reward for any information that might lead to an arrest. Jeffersonville Police Department and ATF's Columbus Field Division are investigating. Anyone with information should contact 888-ATF-TIPS.